Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Tom Ford nose pads is probably one of the most underrated aspects of your eyewear experience. These tiny components have a huge impact on how your glasses feel and function. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Tom Ford nose pads, exploring why they matter, the different types available, and how to choose the perfect ones for ultimate comfort and a flawless fit. Get ready to elevate your eyewear game. Number 5. PTSLKHN Eyeglass Nose Pads Replacement Kit. Are your glasses constantly slipping or leaving marks? These nose pads are designed to solve those problems. They provide a comfortable and secure fit, so you can wear them all day long. These soft silicone nose pads feature an air chamber. This design helps distribute pressure evenly, keeping your glasses in place without discomfort. The kit includes 5 pairs of air chamber nose pads, 2 pairs of regular silicone pads, screws, and a 3-in-1 screwdriver. Everything you need for easy replacement is right here. The integrated plastic base provides greater stability. The included screws are standard size and made of stainless steel, making the installation process simple and secure. The included screwdriver has 3 heads for various screw types. It's perfect for removing and installing the nose pads, providing convenience for any adjustments. If you have any issues, please contact us. We are here to help you until you are satisfied. Purchase this kit with confidence and enjoy comfortable glasses. What we like. This kit features an air chamber design for even pressure distribution. It also comes with a complete repair kit, including a screwdriver. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to fix your glasses and enhance comfort, you should consider this one. What people say. Outstanding product, fit as stated and is very comfortable. Easy to install. These are comfy. The air pocket really makes these comfortable and feels so much better than any nose guards I've ever used. It also came with extra screws and a keychain screwdriver to work right when you receive it. The box it comes with is really compact, and can be stored anywhere together. Number 4. JANYUN Eyeglass Repair Kit. Introducing the JANYUN Eyeglass Repair Kit, your all-in-one solution for fixing glasses. This kit has everything you need to repair eyeglasses, sunglasses, and more. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive selection of screws, nose pads, and tools. It includes 1,300 screws and 300 nose pads, ensuring you have the right parts for any repair. The kit comes with 6 precision screwdrivers in various sizes. These screwdrivers are perfect not only for glasses but also for electronics, watches, and jewelry. Also included is a multifunction mini screwdriver, a tweezer, and a cleaning cloth. These tools will assist you in finding the right size and make the repair process easier. With the JANYUN Eyeglass Repair Kit, you can easily fix your glasses at home. This kit provides all the necessary tools and accessories for a quick and effective repair. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 1,500 plus pieces, ensuring you have the right screw or nose pad for any repair. It also includes a variety of screwdrivers and accessories. If you have multiple pairs of glasses or often need to make repairs, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It is a very nice kit that has every type of screw and nose piece for all eyeglasses. But there are many different types. Even if you have a weird type of connector or a tiny child's glasses, you'll still find it here probably. They are comfortable and lightweight. In most cases you will have multiple options so you can pick the one you like best. And there are plenty of each type. That's the best part of this kit. It came with multiple screws and silicone nose pads. Number 3. BEHLINE Soft Silicone Air Cushion Nose Pads. Are you tired of uncomfortable glasses? These soft silicone nose pads are designed to provide ultimate comfort. They are lightweight and flexible, ensuring a pleasant wearing experience. Made from extra soft air chamber silicone, it won't cause any pain. The material is designed to reduce discomfort and won't turn yellow or hard over time. You'll barely notice them. The hollow design with a small hole at the bottom effectively buffers pressure. This ensures that the bridge of your nose won't be compressed, and you won't have any marks. This design makes them stand out. These nose pads not only increase the height but also reduce the burden. They help your glasses fit comfortably and steadily. They keep your glasses in place, saving you time from constant adjustments. These push-in air chamber nose pads are suitable for various glasses with push-in mounts. They are easy to install without any tools. Just make sure your glasses are compatible. The package includes 5 pairs of nose pads and a cleaning cloth. No tools are needed for installation. Get ready for a new eyeglasses wearing experience. What we like. These nose pads are made of soft silicone with an airbag decompression design. They are also designed to be non-slip, keeping your glasses in place. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for maximum comfort and stability, you should consider these. What people say. The pads are soft, thick and comfortable. Once in, the pads are very secure, probably more secure than the original rigid pads. They are much more comfortable than my frame stock pads, which had discolored. Number 2. BEHLINE Soft Silicone Eyeglasses Nose Pads. These nose pads are made of soft silicone. It's environmentally friendly and comfortable, without any plastic smell or allergic reactions. They won't turn yellow or hard even after long-term use. If your glasses often slide down, these nose pads are the solution. The teardrop-shaped hollow design provides a better grip compared to other smooth-surface nose pads, effectively preventing slippage. The 2 mm thickness provides extra support for your glasses. This is particularly helpful if the bridge of your nose is short or if your frames are heavy. It helps keep the glasses in place. Designed to fit the bridge of your nose, these pads relieve pressure. You won't have to worry about unsightly red marks. They are lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. These universal-size nose guards fit most eyeglasses and sunglasses frames. The package includes 5 pairs of nose pads and a cleaning cloth. They are easy to install. What we like. These nose pads are crafted from soft silicone and feature an anti-slip teardrop shape. The design also increases the height of your glasses for a better fit. If you're tired of your glasses sliding down your nose, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These fit my rectangular pad mount and was quick and simple to replace hard plastic attachment point and soft grip rubber material for the nose pad. Very grippy and comfortable. These have a rectangular piece that fit the bracket exactly, were easy to snap in and stay in securely. The pad is soft, which I like. So far, so good. The new pads are very clear, way more flexible and much more comfortable. Number 1. GMS Optical 11mm Silicone Nose Pads for Glasses. Do your glasses constantly slide down your nose? These soft silicone nose pads are the perfect solution. They'll keep them securely in place, even when you're sweating. These screw-in nose pads provide a comfortable and secure fit for your glasses or sunglasses. They are designed to prevent slippage, so you can focus on what matters most. The screw-on design makes installation a breeze. Simply attach them to your frames using the included screws. It's a quick and easy upgrade. The soft silicone material provides excellent grip, preventing your glasses from sliding. They are perfect for active individuals or anyone who wants a more secure fit. These nose pads are designed with specific dimensions for optimal performance. They are 14 mm in length and 7 mm in depth. They are a great addition to your glasses repair kit. What we like. These nose pads offer a soft air cushion for added comfort and feature a screw-on design to prevent slipping. They are designed to keep your glasses securely in place. If you are active or sweat a lot, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The GMS Optical replacement nose pads are soft, flexible, very comfortable due to their airbag design. They have a hollow pocket that allows these pads to adjust to your nose topography. The material is slip resistant, providing secure fit for my eyeglasses. They don't slide or shift, big bonus. These nose piece replacements are lightweight and comfortable. They are very soft and comfortable, seem like they would tear off of the screws easily, but so far they have been sturdy. They also keep my glasses from sliding down my nose as much. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.